In hybrid work environment, a lot of us are required to record a video, whether that's for public customer partner events, or sometimes you just want to send a video for internal event or all hands, just to have that human touch and connect with people better. Well, not all of us can afford a studio at home or even have a proper place for recording. With distracting backgrounds, green screens, all this are just simply too much to deal with. But today I will show you how to remove and change your video background with CapCut. Recording a video from your desk or recording a video from the pool. Now, let's get to it. Well, one of the first things you want to do is record your video. I actually like Camera 360 app. It's a freemium app you can use to record yourself. There's a couple of advantages of using this. Number one is there are filters. You can choose different filters to make the lighting a little bit warmer or make it natural. There's also beauty features where you can make it look a little bit younger, or just use the beauty features to cover your airbags or dark circles so that people really love your video. Second thing is this makes it a lot easier for removing background. You get rid of rough edges and it's just a lot more high quality when the background is changed. Once video is recorded, you can come to CapCut, click on new project. The first step is always to add a photo. So choose the background you want to have. Here I'm choosing a poolside photo. And then you can see there is a overlay option at the bottom. I can add my video as a overlay. So go to video, choose the video I have and add that as an overlay. Click on the video. You will see a option of remove background. That will go ahead and process the background removal. Click on yourself, move it around, and pinch to zoom it. This will make it looks like I'm sitting on the poolside, I'm recording this video. The last step is really to make sure you drag the image so that the image covers the entire length of your video. So that's the background will overlay on top at the back. So once done, you can just click on export. This will export the entire video out for you. Well, thank you for watching. Hope this helps you to create better videos for work and for personal.